Viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today I'll be showing you something great, something important, something that will be able to take care of your daily needs. Okay, so all you just need to do before we go into that, if you are new to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, and as well turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any content of this very nature, it will get to you immediately. And also do not forget to give my video a thumbs like, and also do not forget to share my videos. So today I'll be showing you a particular website that is going round now, that's capable of earning you 2 USDT a day or $2.2 a day by simply performing simple tasks on this very platform. Okay, you can see this very platform that you're seeing. I'll be dropping you a link at the comment section so that you can use it to sign up. They also pay you for referral commissions. Okay, and all you just need to do here is very simple. They'll just send you a task, perform it, and you get paid. Okay, so do not miss this opportunity. The link will be down at the description section of this very video so that you can just take it up and it will take you straight to your video. It will take you straight to the website. Sorry. So all you just need to do, you need to just sign up using the link. The sign up process is very simple and it's users friendly. Okay, so all you just need to do is to open up to this. So you can see all you just need to do is to sign up through the link, log in, and it will bring you to this very place. You can see this is my dashboard. So beneath here there's home, there's task, there's this star, there's VIP, and there is me. And don't forget, immediately you sign up on this very platform, a 500 USDT bonus will be given to you instantly. Okay, this will be given to you instantly. Okay, so all you just need to do is to sign up and start earning. So after your home, you can click on task. In this very place, this is where they will drop you a task that you can perform and get paid immediately. Okay, you can see now currently there is no tax available. There's a tax will be reset in 2200 hours. It should be by roughly 10 or so, right? And if you can check about this place, yeah, there's no data here for now. So all you just need to do is to follow this up. So and in this very place again, there is also a paid program, the one that you can use money to earn much. Okay, let's go there. In this VIP, you can use VIP 1 $512 to unlock. In VIP 2, you can use 553 USDT to unlock. Okay, if you want to unlock this VIP 1 that allows you to make 2.2 a day, all you just need to do is to just add 12 USD. Why? Because if you ask 12 USDT is why I said you should add 12 USDT is because you have been given already 500 USDT bonus. So 12 USDT added to the 500 USDT bonus, it will become 512 and you'll be able to unlock the VIP one. Okay, so let me take you somewhere. Beneath here, you see where there is me, click on me. If you click on me, this is your wallet. Okay, this is your wallet. And in this your wallet, there is a 500 USDT bonus, as I said. If you recharge your amount, this is where it's going to appear, right? If you recharge your amount, it's going to appear here. There's no doubt about that. Okay, it will appear here straight. Okay, so and this place is your account. This place is your recharge. This place is where you can withdraw. You can withdraw using your link, your wallet link of any website you accept. Okay, so this is your financial record. This is if you want to transfer the money out to your wallet or anywhere at all. This is if you want to change your pin and the others. So all you just need to do by the time this platform is recharged, all you just need to do is to come back to VIP here and click on this place. If you click on this place to unlock it, to say the recharge balance is automatically unlocked. Okay, so you click to recharge that very wallet address. Okay, so all you just need to do here is to copy this wallet address and take it to your Bybit or your Binance, where you can recharge the $12 into this very place. Okay, and there's one thing I want you to also know. The moment this place is set for you, do not be greedy. Always withdraw your money. Always withdraw your money daily. Okay, always withdraw what? Always withdraw your money daily. In this place, you must do a daily withdrawal. Okay, whatever you secure a day, take it out. Whatever you secure a day, take it out. Okay, this very platform, I've made my own research. You can also make your own research, please. Okay, I've made my own research and I see that it's legit, that we can use it, and you can as well make your own research to see how legit it is before investing on it. Okay, so as and in this place that you're saying, if you recharge or you are withdrawing, it arrives immediately. There's no delay. It's wallet to wallet withdrawal. Okay, so I'll be dropping my referral link as well under the comment section, under the descriptive section, so that you can use it to sign up. If you have any question, please do go to ask immediately and I will attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.